All right, here we go. Let's go ahead and pick the $100 a day winner for today. You have one more chance, so go to the description right here. You can find it below. One more chance, so don't miss out. It costs you nothing at all, so why not take that chance to win some free money? Also, the course is 50% off until 4 p.m. Eastern today on June the 1st, but we have all the comments loaded on this video, so I'm gonna set the mouse right up here and I'm gonna scroll 3 times and let's see who we land on. We have all the comments loaded, like I said. 1, 2, 3. All right, here we go. We landed on Fresh One. Said I started with $20 and got $240 profit when I first started dropshipping. I had no idea what I was doing, so I guess I got lucky. If I win that $100, I would buy books that will help me in e-com. So congrats to you, Fresh One. Yeah, spend that $100 wisely, whether it's on books or ads, whatever you want to do, just please use it wisely. Go ahead to the description below and you'll be able to find instructions on how to claim your money. But now let's get into the important part of this video. I have a 30-day challenge for you guys out there that want to change your life, and I guess a little way, but also a big way at the same time. It's something that doesn't cost you any money. It doesn't cost you anything except for some willpower and discipline. So I'm sure, as you guys know, if you follow me on Instagram, I did a 30-day challenge last month where I did the Stairmaster at the gym for 30 minutes a day. And I did it just because I did the Stairmaster before and it was hard and I thought I was gonna die from breathing so hard. And I was like, all right, maybe if I do like a challenge and I post it on my stories, it'll keep myself accountable by having everybody else see and other people do it, and then it'll force me to do it. So I did it for 30 days straight, and I had multiple people, probably like 10 to 20 people do it with me, but there was only a group of probably like 5 people that actually did it every day. A lot of people did it for a couple days and they missed a day or whatever. They just weren't disciplined enough, or something happened where they couldn't get to the gym, whatever it was. One of the biggest issues was that people didn't have a Stairmaster at their gym or didn't have access to a gym, so they weren't able to be a part of that challenge. And for me, like, it was super difficult at first to go ahead and do the stairs for 30 minutes a day. Like, it's a really hard exercise, but obviously, the more you do it, the easier it gets. And the reality of it was just that it was just a big discipline thing. Obviously some people are motivated to go to the gym sometimes and lift and feel great, but in reality people don't like to go every day because they aren't disciplined enough and they have days where they're tired or they don't want to do it, or whatever the case may be. So that was my whole point of doing it and having other people do it. See that discipline can lead you a long way. And it's been a few days now since I finished up that challenge, and I told everybody June 1st I was going to be launching the new 30-day challenge, which is today. Today is June 1st, so I want to let you guys know all in on that, because I didn't tell you guys here on YouTube about my 30-day challenge I did last time with the stairs. So I figured I would let you guys in on what I'm doing now. And I'm taking a big jump. I'm gonna give you guys a challenge, and I'm also gonna do the challenge, but I'm doing a lot bigger of a challenge than I want just all of you guys to do. I'm gonna give you guys something somewhat simple. It's gonna be hard for some people, but really just it's gonna be about discipline, and I want you guys to be a part of this and follow me throughout Instagram and tag me in what you're doing, and I'll repost you. That's what I did with the stairs. I reposted pretty much everybody that tagged me and did it. So let's go ahead and get into this challenge. This is what I'm gonna be doing, and hopefully some of you guys out there that wanna join in on this challenge. So June 1st to June 30th, daily is 100 push-ups, 100 sit-ups, and 100 squats. So this is all body weight exercises. You don't need to go to a gym, no cardio machines, none of that. Now these things aren't the hardest things in the world. Obviously some of you may be like, that's not even a challenge for me. But the biggest challenge is doing it every single day. A lot of people have trouble being able to do things over and over repetitively that benefit them in their lives. They like to do bad things, eat junk food or watch TV every single day, spend too much time on their phone, but they don't like to do things that benefit themselves. So I'm giving you guys a challenge starting today to do these every single day for the next 30 days. And if you're watching this after June 1st or whatever, do it, but just start in a 30-day increment. Don't worry about the dates, just do it in 30-day sessions. It's a challenge that you can do, whenever. And then a little bit of a twist is you increase by 5 reps per exercise every day. I wasn't going to do that. I just added that probably 30 minutes ago just because I want to make it a little bit more difficult for people, So after day 1, you're doing 105 push-ups, 105 sit-ups, 105 squats, and then by the end at day 30, you're doing 200 reps per exercise. So over time, you're going to gradually become stronger, and at the end of these 30 days, these things should be pretty easy. Now 100 push-ups is difficult for a lot of people, but the reality of it is if you do it every single day for 30 days, it's going to become easier and easier, and you're just adding on reps, so you keep growing, keep getting stronger, and keep growing. But now I'm doing something a little bit crazier. I don't know if you guys want to be a part of this. So a lot of you guys don't need to do this what I'm doing, but it will still be good for you whether you want to lose weight or not. For me, I'm just going to be losing 30 pounds in 30 days. Now that it doesn't sound the healthiest, but I promise you I'm going to do it in a good way where I'm going to lose it very healthy. I'm going to eat healthy, and I mean, I'll walk you through all this stuff in a second, but a lot of you guys probably don't need to lose weight, but this will still be good for you even if you just want to gain muscle or turn a little bit of body fat into muscle. So I'm going to give you the quick routine of what I'm doing as far as the gist, broad version of it, and then we'll get into some details. So this is what we're doing right here. Every single day I'm going to be lifting weights, which I've had trouble with having consistency with lifting every day. Cardio is not too hard, but lifting every day was hard for me because you know, I have to have some willpower for that. But I'm going to do it, and I'm going to do sauna every day after lifting, reading in the sauna. I just did that tonight actually. My strict meal prep and the daily exercise challenge, which is just, you know, the push-ups, the squats, and the sit-ups. So this is my meal schedule that I've done before when I was cutting weight in late November, early December, you know, throughout those times where I was really cutting weight. This is what I was eating. I would only eat between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. and start out with a basic protein shake with no sugar, barely any carbs. And basically what I'm doing, the overall part of this is just a big calorie deficit. And for me, the way that I've been able to lose weight is just by eating small meals throughout the day and keeping my metabolism going. So the food is gonna be bland. I'm sure I'm gonna change up my exercises and change up the entire routine as the day goes on. I'm actually gonna be talking to a trainer to learn a little bit more. So, you know, all those things I've just talked about there, the basics of it, are things I've learned over lifting weight, losing weight, gaining weight over the past, you know, couple of years, you know, because I've had personal trainers before. I've gotten advice from like consultant trainers, but that's the best thing that's worked for me. And obviously something that works for me may not work for you because everybody has different body types and different things that, you know, different abilities. So right now I'm actually just cooking my meal prep. I got broccoli here, quinoa. I'm gonna be measuring everything out here in these containers on my scale. And just one quick thing for those of you guys that like to work out, LaCroix, if you take pre-workout, you mix a cold LaCroix with pre-workout, it's amazing. So shout out to my boy Yus for giving me the idea for that. It actually is amazing. You get a whole different pump in. But one more thing before I end this video off, I want to let you guys know that this is an amazing book that I really think all of you should read. It talks about aligning your realities and manifestation a little bit, but really the science behind your thoughts and ideologies between your body and your mind, and how you can actually create your future and plan things to happen. Basically, instead of cause and effect, waiting for things to happen and then reacting, you know, creating an effect and dealing with it so you can create the own reality of your own life. I know I twisted some words up there, but the book explains it very well. The book was definitely out of my reading comprehension level, so it's taken me a while. It takes me like 2 minutes to read one page, but I'm getting better, I'm learning, and it's changing my life. I honestly think for, you know, 15, 20 bucks, I really got to start reading more. I'm gonna be honest, I don't read that much, but this is one of those books I got recommended, and it is honestly amazing. I think you should all read it. But let me know in the comments below if you're gonna take part of this 30-day challenge. Should be pretty fun. Nothing crazy. Well, it's gonna be crazy for me losing the 30 pounds, but I'll have to keep you guys updated in the daily videos. But I hope you all have an amazing day, productive day. Go ahead, do your 100 push-ups, 100 squats, 100 sit-ups, and keep me updated. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.